Hi, my name is Dr. Ajay Sharma. I am an oncologist. As a doctor, many a times people call me God, but I know I am no God. As a doctor, I know that I cannot take life, and certainly I cannot give life. What I can do is save life, and that for me is the true essence of this profession. For me, a doctor is much more than just diagnosis, medical bills, and treatment. For me, being a doctor is about healing. And this is exactly why I am a proud member of this family we call Dr. B.L. Kapoor Memorial Hospital, a place where technology and science meet compassion. A place where we ensure care with integrity and ethics.
At Dr. B.L. Kapoor Memorial Hospital, healthcare is not just treatment of medical disorders. Here, the treatment we give our patients extends to the humane concern of well-being. Hence our motto, Healthcare Personalized. Set up in 1959 as a 200-bed maternity hospital by eminent obstetrician and gynecologist Dr. B.L. Kapoor, today this place stands as a center for professional excellence in delivering high-quality specialty and super specialty services.
And one of the primary features of Dr. B.L. Kapoor Memorial Hospital is the special and personal relation it has with each of its patients. They come as people in distress and go home as good friends. Hi Anil, how are you?
Hey doctor, I'm good, fine.
So how's the fever since morning?
No doc, this new medicine seems to be working just fine.
Oh, very good. Okay, how's the book I gave you? Had a chance to read it yet?
Yes sir, it's a nice book. I finished it almost.
Almost finished it. Now suppose I reveal the end to you?
No doctor, you won't do that.
What else I can say? These people have got to us.
Every time I walk into the room of the patient who is fighting death, I fight my tears every time.
I was born in this hospital, and after 29 years, my daughter is born here, and I hope this tradition continues.
This personal touch, this feeling of comfort that we are able to give to each and every patient at BLK is built upon a solid base of technology and infrastructure that the hospital provides.
Dr. B.L. Kapoor Memorial Hospital believes that the best technology and world-class infrastructure are the minimum requirements for excellence. Building management system access control, automatic pneumatic chute system, digitization of patient records, smart card-based registration, Wi-Fi enabled premises, and many other such features ensure that our visitors are as comfortable as possible.
Latest state-of-the-art evidence-based technology, whatever is latest available anywhere in the world, it is available here, and it's comprehensive. In most of the super specialty departments can be comparable to the best centers in the world.
Dr. B.L. Kapoor Memorial Hospital boasts of 17 operation theatres, digital X-ray, 4D ultrasound, color Doppler, 64-slice CT scanner, 1.5 Tesla volume MRI, bone densitometry, and many other such medical marvels. Maternity and related services have long been our core strength. We also provide world-class treatment in oncology, cardiology, gastroenterology and joint replacements. Other super specialty services offered here are in vitro fertilization, nephrology, neurology, neurosurgery, urology, dental and dietitian. This combined with various other specialties like clinical hematology, general surgery, gynecology, nuclear medicine, orthopedic, plastic surgery, psychiatry and radiology makes Dr. B.L. Kapoor Memorial Hospital a single point access for all your medical needs.
Here at Dr. B.L. Kapoor Memorial Hospital, not only do we use world-class technology, we also believe in playing an important role in developing it.
Research and development along with strong focus on academics is one of the pillars on which Dr. B.L. Kapoor Memorial Hospital stands tall and handsome. Regular training of the staff is aimed at skill and personality development.
The quality of treatment that we provide here at Dr. B.L. Kapoor Memorial Hospital attracts patients from all over the world. They come here because we provide them medical care for a whole range of diseases without burning a hole in their pocket.
أول ما بالبداية قبل ما أسوي عملية كنت أتعب هواية. من سويت عملية أحسن. من كنت أركض مسافات كنت أتعب. بعدين أبوي راح لسائل لأمريكا بريطانيا قالوا $2 بعدين إجانا خبر قالوا دكتور نمبير وجينا للهند سوينا عملية ونجحت الحمد لله. بعد 5 أيام من وراء عملية أقدر ألعب طوبة.
Not only international patients, but we ensure that we provide quality healthcare to all sections of our